Hello guys, today we are going to discuss our third cell organelle, mitochondria. They are small, rod-shaped organelle found in large numbers in cell. Each mitochondrion is bounded by two membranes, outer and inner membrane. The outermost membrane is smooth and the innermost membrane is pushed inward at intervals, forming crest called cristae. The cristae lie in a ground substance called matrix. The fluid inside the mitochondria is called matrix. Mitochondria possesses enzymes necessary for the oxidation of carbohydrates. This process releases energy in the form of ATP. That is why mitochondria are known as the powerhouse of the cell. Mitochondria have their own DNA and ribosomes. They can synthesize their own proteins and thus are semi-autonomous organelles. Semi-autonomous organelles are those organelles which can live independently without a complete cell body. Without the cytone, it can exist in its own independent form. These are the diagrams of mitochondria, and the main function of mitochondria is to provide energy for the vital activities of living cell. And you can see the first diagram, mitochondria's inner structure with inner membrane forming cristae and the outer smooth membrane, and the matrix filled inside the inner membrane. And inside the cell you can see mitochondria and mitochondrial DNA, which makes it semi-autonomous. And this third. So let's proceed to another cell organelle. Now another is Golgi bodies. Through diagram it will be clear to you first, then we will discuss what is it. Golgi body is also known as Golgi apparatus or Golgi complex. It was first discovered by Camillo Golgi. Golgi bodies or Golgi complex are formed by stacks of flattened sacs called cisternae. These are some conspicuous vacuoles or clusters of very small vesicle, bladder-like structure near the cristae. Golgi bodies are usually called dictyosomes in plant cells. Function: they store, modify, package, and condense the protein synthesized in the ribosomes. They form the cell plate during the cell division. Especially, they have a very vital role in the cell division of plant cell. They set aside digestive enzymes in lysosomes. They add sugar to some protein and synthesize some polysaccharides for the same membrane. And these are this vesicle, secretory vesicles. Lysosomes. It is sac-like, small spherical single membrane bound vesicle which contains enzymes. These enzymes are synthesized in the RER, rough endoplasmic reticulum, which are brought to the Golgi complex for storage. Lysosomes are formed by the Golgi body. They occur in animal cells and in the meristematic cells of a few plants. Function: they help in breaking down, digesting large molecules of the cell. They work in defense against bacteria and viruses in phagocytosis. During starvation, lysosomes act on their own cellular organelle and digest them. This results in cell death and hence are called suicide bag or demolition squads.